Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are very good and safe at home. This is your science teacher Vandana welcomes you again. In the previous class we have completed chapter 1 and 2. I hope the content will be clear to you. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. So what is fiber to fabric? But before that, I want to ask, we are wearing different type of clothes. Some like to wear new dresses on his or her birthday party. Some like to wear summer clothes during the summer season because they make themselves comfortable. So it is according to the occasion or according to the weather we are choosing our dresses or choosing our fabrics. So in this chapter we are going to discuss what is fabric, what is fiber, what is yarn, what are the types of fibers, and what are natural fiber or synthetic fibers. So we are going to discuss it one by one. So let's start.
So we know that human beings need three basic requirements for survival. These three basic requirements are food, shelter, and clothing. We often use various techniques, do experimenting so that we get proper food, house, and clothing. So clothing is one of the basic necessity and clothing completes the personality of an individual. So today we are going to discuss one basic requirement, that is clothing. Today people wear different type of clothes according to the occasion or according to the season, according to their comfort level. But what happened earlier? Since from the prehistoric era, people wear or cover their body parts with the help of leaves. Slowly, with the passage of time, they came to know that even the animal skin also used to cover their body parts. So animal skin, fleece, fur, all these they are considered as clothes because clothes complete their body parts. But in today's life, in today's generation, we are not considered it as clothes. Although they cover the body parts, no doubt. However, they are not now used in our day-to-day life. Instead, we are using the parts of plant or animals parts so that we can make the fiber and then later converted into yarn and make the fabric. So I use three different words: fiber, yarn, and fabric. So what are these? So we are going to discuss one by one. Fiber. Fiber means a very thin strand, a very thin long strand from which clothes are made. Fiber means a very thin long strand from which clothes are made. Next question is, what is yarn? So yarn are made from fibers which are interwoven together. Yarn is a long thread which is interwoven together to make the fabric. And what are fabric? Fabric means the pieces of cloths. The pieces of clothes that are used after cutting and stitching and makes the new different types of clothes. So yarn make the fabrics and fabric makes the clothes. And what yarn means made up of? Yarn are made up of fiber. So fibers are very thin long strand from which yarn is made, and yarn is very long thread which are interwoven together to make the fabric, and later fabric are converted into clothes by cutting or by stitching and give them a proper shape. So this is how the fabrics are made. Now the next question arises, how many types of fibers are there and how you categorize according to the season or according to your comfort level which type of fabric is suited for you. For example, like in summer season you are wearing summer clothes like cotton fiber, so you are wearing cotton fibers because cotton helps to keep you cool and comfortable, and it evaporates, though it does not evaporate the sweat also. Similarly, winter clothes, you are wearing woolen clothes because they make you feel warm. Similarly, jute fiber. Jute fibers are used mainly for the shopping bags and for the gunny bags because they are very much strong. Instead of comfort zone, they should be strong because we have to carry the mostly hard things, heavy things. So we need to carry jute fibers. Along with that, there is a acrylic fiber. What is acrylic fibers? The day to day wearing of clothes which make us feel comfortable, so that fibers are made up of acrylic fibers. So all these are the different types of fibers, but how you can categorize? So we have to categorize according to the two types of fiber are there: natural fiber and synthetic fibers. So natural fibers, as the name suggests, natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained from the natural sources like plants and animals. From the plants we get from the plants we get cotton, jute, flax. From the animals we get wool, silk, fur. All these are the natural fibers. Another is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made by the humans or made in the laboratories or in the industrial sites, like polyester, nylon, acrylic. These are the synthetic fibers which are made in the industries or which are made in the laboratories. But some synthetic fibers are made using natural fiber as the starting material. So, natural fibers are chemically processed and modified, like rayon and artificial silk. These two fibers are called semi synthetic fibers. So, that's it for today. We are going to discuss our next topic. We are going to discuss our next topic in our class. Do read the topic. In this topic, we have discussed what is fiber, what are the different types of fiber, what is fabric, what is yarn. In the next class, we are going to discuss our next topic. Till then, be happy, be safe. Thank you so much.